Hey beautiful people, how you guys doing? I know it's been a while and I haven't been uploading because you know what? I have some videos that I was supposed to post, and to be sincere, I just lost interest, or I didn't even put a voiceover. I like to do a voiceover and I didn't really have the zeal to post. And today I was like, okay, this video has been on my draft for a while now. Let's just post it and show you guys some of the stuff that I end up finding at Ikea when I last went, and some of the stuff that you can use, especially now that the warmer season is here and it's going to get even warmer, and you're going to be spending a lot of time outside. I wanted to take you guys along with me just to show you guys some of the latest things that I found here at IKEA. So if today is your first day and you have never seen my videos before, my name is Ivy. I make videos on shopping, cooking, cleaning, home decor, and things like that. And if you're a returnee, thank you so much for constantly checking up on me. Thank you for constantly leaving comments and things like that. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly push the subscribe button down below. Join this family. We do a lot of home decor shopping videos and things like that, so you don't have to do the work. I do the work for you. You just see the store you like or the things you like at the store, and you just go and buy it if you're interested. So as I mentioned before, I came to IKEA just to check some of the latest stuff for spring outdoor decor and some of the things that they have on sale as well. And I did find a lot of stuff here at IKEA as usual, guys. You know, IKEA is a store that, you know what, there's no way you can walk through that store and not find anything that you need, you know, that not find anything that tickles your fancy. So there was a lot of stuff that I wanted to get for the outdoor. I know, I don't know if you guys started planting your flowers yet, or started digging out your the soil to make it, you know, prepare before you start to plant. I haven't started doing anything yet. I haven't started digging. Canada weather has been up and down for the past few days, so I haven't really done anything. Or the only thing that I did at my back here is I cleaned some of the stuff up, and I pick up the leaves and things like that. That is the only thing that I've done so far. I haven't planted any flowers or things like that. So I found a tons of stuff at what is it called, IKEA, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. And yes, I hope I haven't been away for too long that you guys forgot me already. So yes, guys, please watch this video to an end. Let me know if you started what is it called, if you started planting yet, if you started backyard decoration or renovation and remodeling and things like that. Leave a comment down below. If you live in an apartment, if you have any videos or pictures, or your balcony transformation or your garden transformation, you want to share it with us, I would really love it, so I can also post it so maybe somebody can get inspired in backyard decor, in house, like deck decor and things like that. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this video. IKEA always have a tons of new stuff, a tons of stuff that you might want to use to decorate your home. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video to an end, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Time goes by, yeah, you and I are running out, running out. Time goes by, I change my mind about you and I, you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel I'm saying? I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you forever. That's why I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you. Time goes by, oh precious time. Wait just 1 minute. Time goes by, I think I thought it out, So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know my heart's on the edge. 'Cause I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you always forever. I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. Yeah. Nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me, he brings me flowers.